Welcome to day 19 of Learn to Lead in 100 Days. The main vision behind this 100 Days challenge is to create awareness and the importance of learning. Our body needs food and water, and our mind needs continuous learning. Living a life without learning is like living a life without any dreams or desire. Of all the things that is changing very drastically, in terms of career, community, technology, and so on, the only thing that can keep you or help you for a better survival in terms of expanding your skills or creating new opportunities is learning. Let's learn about some tips to improvise our learning. There is a belief system amongst people like you need to fix a time and a place in order to learn. Though it might work for some people, research says that giving or introducing a variety in terms of learning and a change of place will not harm you. It will in turn boost your learning skills. Sometimes you might be choosing a wrong timing to learn and then give up saying it is boring. If your learning is related to creative thinking or motor skills, something to do with facts, formula, numbers, then the right time to learn is early morning after a good sleep. So choose your learning time depending on the subject that you wanted to study. Breaking your time slot for learning will always help you in remembering. It is always good to have 2 1-hour slots than an unbroken 2-hour slots. Our brain has the capacity for long-term memories only after some forgetting happens. It's exactly like how the muscles break down during workout to build stronger. But during exams, there is a proven technique called cramming that will help you, which is actually stuffing a lot of information only for a short-term memory. Self-testing is yet another strong and proven technique. You can test your learning by explaining it aloud or by trying to remember what you were learning. Getting your friends to give you a quiz on what you were learning will also help you with an immediate feedback of right or wrong. So never stop learning, and do let me know what you're going to learn in the comments below. Get ready for day 20. We will have an interesting learning tomorrow. Follow me for the next days. Learn to Lead in 100 Days. I'm your coach, Rosy Iyenkutty.